Hello.
I've never heard of WeMaintain. No, decent lift actually. What was it? Well, was it fully oiled? It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's better than Jackson maintenance then.
Floor 0.
Jackson this.
We're not in Genesis where we should put up with shit contractors.
Going down. Doors closing. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
No, don't, no. Keep on going.
Floor -1. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing. Floor 0. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing. Floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. Seventh floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Floor 0. Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing.
Should get off at 2. And then let's drive it on the way up actually. Let's drive it on the way up. Yeah.
You fucking idiot. You did, but I told her fucking get out. What do you do? What? What?
Can you check it's clear?
Fucking it's like a 1970s radio transmitter.
What?
Oh my god.
What floor are we on?
4. We've still got like over halfway to go.
Do this. Clear? Okay. It's clear. Yeah. Keep going, okay? Don't draw my attention. So, go to this and keep going.
throw all off.
Do you know how fucking hard it is to keep hold of this?
It's an MX-11, isn't it? Yeah. It might be a 14 now. Actually, it might be a 14, I don't know.
Why do they put insulation on the back of the wheels?
To stop them from making so much noise.
Nine. Fuck me, we're dead by the end of the fucking time he gets up there. Fuck you know.
Let's look at MX-11s, mate. That looks small for an MX-11. That looks smaller than the other ones I've seen. You sure that's 11? No, that's not 11.